I am inside the McLaren Speedtail, one of 106 in the whole world, and I am at McLaren Las Vegas inside the WYNN. Hey everybody, I am here with Anthony from McLaren Las Vegas.
Hey guys.
And he's going to tell us what's really, really cool about this car.
So this is the McLaren Speedtail. This specific one is number 93 out of 106 in the world. What makes this car super special is, one, you might notice the whole body is carbon fiber with titanium badging, so it's super lightweight. And if we look on the inside, we have a 3-seat configuration. This pays homage to the McLaren F1 that we produced back in 1996. So it's a really good way to tie in the past and the present and the future, considering this looks like a spaceship. The car itself has no mirrors, so everything is going to be done through these side cameras that are going to show up on your dashboard right in front and display live monitoring on both your left and your right.
Anthony, can you please tell us about these wheels?
Yeah, so the Speedtail has these super incredibly engineered aerodynamic covers that are made in carbon fiber and help direct airflow into the brakes and through the car to have this be our most aerodynamic design yet on a vehicle. So while it is a very unique model, the Speedtail actually keeps a lot of the design language that makes McLaren. If you focus up here, the headlights display the same speed mark shape that our logo has, as well as stage 2 to our hammerhead line design.
All right, I think everybody's curious because I know I'm curious. Power. Tell me about the power.
So this beast is actually a hybrid. It uses a twin-turbo V8 and a battery to have a total horsepower of 1,070. This pushes you up to about 250 miles per hour at its top range with a 0 to 60 in about 3 seconds.
It's easy. Anybody can do it.
So let's close the door. You can let go.
Oh, okay.
There you go. And then you're actually able to just press the button. Go for it.
This is like the red button that you're like afraid to push because it might eject me or something.
Yeah, so you're met with a really spaceship-like display in here. It almost doesn't feel real, especially coming from left-hand drive. Being in the center is a totally different world. But you can really see how the cameras work as your side view mirrors. Click on ambiance. See that? Oh, there we go. So let's click on roof transparent.
Roof transparent. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
And there you go. Now you can see through.
One in front, two like slightly back.
Oh my gosh, I love that.
Yeah, and then let's go ahead and just make it opaque again. Really focus on the change.
Opaque. Oh, that's great for people like me who hate when the sun comes in and gets you in the corner of the eye.
The Las Vegas sun?
Yes, no matter what direction you're facing, the sun's in your face.
It's just beaming, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, and then you have other ambiance features as well. I mean, you have your reading lights. Super practical. We can go ahead and just do all lights on.
All lights on. Okay.
Boom.
Oh, all right.
A little spotlight on you.
Fantastic.
You're the star of the show in this car.
I love being in the spotlight. Actually, I don't. Okay.
Yeah.
This I got to tell you, this is really cool. Because I've never driven a center seat car actually, and
not many people have.
Yeah, this is kind of. I mean, I'm too far away. Like I'd probably be up here, I guess, if I was driving it.
They don't have granny seats.
You know,
Get your little booster chair.
yeah, right? That's what I need, a little booster. So, Anthony, what happens when I'm hungry and I want to go through the drive-thru?
That's not happening in this car.
Why?
You've got this little window right here as your drive-thru window. Unless they're giving you a pizza box, I don't think you're...
Well, I have, I bet if I scoot over to the other seat and then I stick my arm out, I don't think many people are going to want to do that. Okay, Anthony, I can see that this is completely flush right here, but tell us what happens.
Yeah, so not only has this car been marvelously engineered, we've included a special detail to help. While you're going at speeds over 60 miles per hour and you brake pretty heavily, these carbon fiber panels right here will actually lift up and serve as your air brake.
This car has a lot of space, Anthony, so why don't you show us around, fill us in.
So it's a super practical multi-million-dollar supercar here. Not only are you going to have a trunk in the rear that opens with a push of a button on the key, this can fit quite a lot of baggage. I mean, if you're going on cross-country trips, you can probably fit a carry-on in a duffel bag back here, but it doesn't stop there. If we go to the front of the car, we're going to have a bit more space. All right. Welcome to the McLaren Experience Center powered by O'Gara Coach here at the WYNN in Las Vegas. Come join us anytime and find me. My name is Anthony.
Thank you, Anthony, for showing me everything that I needed to know. And hey, by the way, do not forget when you come, you want to do the McLaren Experience Simulator. That was fantastic. You don't want to miss out on that. Okay.
But always remember, paddle shifts are right-hand side up shift, left-hand side down shift, right?
Okay.
So anytime when I say up shift, you just click it once, same as your down shift as well.
Okay.
First a few laps, let's just try to drive slowly, get to know the car, get to know the track. Once you
Okay. See, you're on the phone.
left, turn, easy, use your throttle. Very nice. The turn's not over yet. Save the car, very good. Remember that turn?
Yes.
Braking.
Oh gosh, here we go. Okay. Okay. I don't even know where I'm going anymore.
Let's turn back on.
Yeah, I need traction control.
Yep,
Okay.
Let's just make the U-turn.
Okay. Okay. Did I win? Oh my gosh, that was awesome. Thank you, McLaren Las Vegas. Thank you, O'Gara. This was amazing.